Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel.
Hi everyone, today I want to share a little bit about candlestick pattern. I believe in the previous video I've shared a little bit about this before, I'm sure. Because today I want to go a little bit more into details about candlestick pattern. Okay, for those that are not familiar. Okay, so candlestick pattern, there are two basic types of candlestick pattern. We have what we call the solid candlestick, okay, and the hollow candlestick. I think a lot of people know this already. Okay, the difference between the solid candlestick and the hollow candlestick is the opening and closing price. So for solid candlesticks, the open is always on top, the close is below, okay, and for the hollow candlestick, the open is below and the close is on top, okay. So the difference between these two is actually the opening price and the closing price, okay. So in this pattern, we usually call it the bearish candle. This candle we always call it the bullish candle. There is a saying that say amateur decides the opening, but professional decide the closing. So the closing is actually more important than the opening. So we want to find out what is the closing price. Is it higher or lower than the opening price? So in this case, if the close is higher than the opening, we consider it as bullish. Okay, vice versa. So here, if it close below, it's considered as bearish. Okay, then on top of that, there's a tail here. The tip of this tail is actually the low price, and the tip of the shadow here is the high price. So the tip here, this represents the lowest price for the day, and the tip there is represent the highest price of the day. So each candlestick can be possible. You can chart it for the last one day, last day, or last 1 week, or the last 1 minute. Okay, this is a 1 minute candlestick. Okay, so that is to look at the price for that 1 minute or the 1 day price. Okay, so what is important here is really the reaction to the price. So the reaction to the price, sometimes you will see, say example, we have a moving average, okay, moving average, and then we have a bearish candlesticks that is coming down, okay, and then subsequently followed by a bullish candlestick that's going up. This is considered like a reversal. That means the price coming down has stopped and now is reversing upwards. This is called a bullish candlestick pattern. Okay, so there are many types of candlestick pattern, reversal candlestick pattern. Today I'll share with you a few of this pattern, which you need to understand how it works. Okay, from there you can use it. Okay, so what are the typical patterns in the candlesticks? Okay, so a very common one is the doji candle. Okay, a doji candle represents indecision. Okay, the word indecision means is I'm not decided whether to go higher or lower. So usually when a price, let's say the price is going down this way and you meet an indecision, a doji candle, what it means is I don't know whether the price wants to continue to go lower or want to go higher. Okay, so it's undecided. So usually there's about 50% chance that it will go higher, 50% chance it will go lower. So how do we know that whether the price is going higher? It's really when you see a doji candle, okay, you look at the high price and the low price. So if the price is clearing higher, okay, than the previous candle high, okay, that means, let's say example, in this case it did do this, breaks above the prior candle high, that means it's telling you that, hey, I'm undecided, the price has been coming down, I'm undecided, but after this I start to go higher than my previous candle high. That means I want to go higher right now. Okay, so likelihood the price may go higher. Of course, using the candlestick pattern alone may not be enough. Okay, what you want to look for is you want to look for like things like moving averages, things as your CCI to determine the current move of the price. But right now, today, we want to just focus on just candlestick alone. So for candlestick alone, for doji candle, what it means is indecision. Okay, indecision. Okay, when the price is going higher in decision, okay, and the price breaks below the low, okay, that means the price is going lower. Okay, the price is going lower. Of course, again, you may have moving averages on top of there also. But one of the things to take note is when indecision, it is also possible that the price after this indecision continue to go up higher. Okay, it is possible because this part is indecision, right? So it can continue to go up higher. Okay, in that case, it really depends on your trading strategy, whether you have a correct risk reward trade or not. Okay, whether you can trade this pattern or not. Okay, usually in our way of trading is we want to look for trend down. Okay, trend down. We want to look for CCI to be high. Okay, to be overbought. Okay, to be overbought, and then price breakdown to trade it down and put a stop loss here. This is my stop loss, and then I'll trade it down this way. Okay, that's usually how we will trade it for a short pattern. Okay, so I hope I don't confuse you. So if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.